Hi, I'm Jackie from Tan Lines of Monroe in Monroe Township, New Jersey, and I'm at the Tanning World Expo. About 2 years ago, I purchased an existing salon. At the time, the lease had about 2 years left to go, and I am now in the process of having to renegotiate that lease. I have to say that with the lease consultant and the lease coach, that Jeff has, just in the education alone, that I have gone through this process with him, that he has 10 times earned his money. Not only just because of what I've learned through this process, but on the free rent, on the tenant allowance, on things that as a regular tenant you wouldn't even dream of asking your landlord to give you. Jeff has been able to shock me as to what I'm getting in this new lease. And to relocate my business and it not cost me very, very minimal to build out, to rent the space, it amazes me. But I would say that I contracted the lease coach. It was probably the best investment that I've made in my business, and I would absolutely recommend them calling and finding more information, utilizing the services, because you've been very professional, very helpful. It truly exceeded my expectations.